Hi. Add 2 onions. Add oil to cups. Add ginger, garlic paste, half tablespoon. Add 2 tomatoes. Add green chili paste. Add red chili powder. Add haldi, half teaspoon. Add salt according to your taste. Mix it well. When oil's separate, add methi. Add aloo, matar and gajar. Mix it well. Mix it Cover it on medium flame. Check it is soft or not. It is not soft, so cover it. After 5 minutes again check it. It's soft, so it is done. When water dry, add dhania. Mix it well. This final looks so yummy.